What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a skull and crossbones. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start with a point, and we want to draw an upside down heart. So we start with the left, going out, round this out, and pull that up in the middle. Do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. Now I switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes and the nose. Now just underneath the nose, let's draw the teeth. From the middle, cut those down and up towards the left. Go back to the center and do the same thing up on the right. Now let's add another set of teeth going around and just pull that up towards the cheeks. Let's round out the cheeks, starting on the left. We're going to go around. Now let's bend that in towards the eyes. And then we're going to add a fold. Gradually bend this up towards the top. From the top of the cheeks, we're going to draw a large circle for the skull. Let's start on the left side. We're going to go all the way around, go up in the middle, go across, and then just tuck that in on the right side. Now with the skull in place, let's draw in the bones. We're going to start on top of the cheek on the left, draw a straight angle line going up and then out, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add the end of the bones. We're going to draw almost like a circle going around, pull that down. Let's add another one going around the right side and then in. And I'll draw that same angle line coming back in toward the side of the head. Now we're going to do the same thing across the bottom. I'm just going to flip this down. So starting from the side of the tooth, and down and out. And we'll draw the ends of the bones, those two circles. And then just tuck that in underneath the cheek. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a skull and crossbones. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.